Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you about slope from the two given points. Okay? We are finding the slope from the given two endpoints. Okay? The first question is 1 comma 1 and 8 comma 10. Always when you're finding the slope from 2 points, we have to label them. The first point we will label it as x1 y1. Second point we will label it as x2 y2. Okay, the formula for the slope, and it is represented by m, is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The other name for slope is, we will also consider it as rate of change. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now what is y2? 10 minus 1 over x2 minus x1, 8 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9, 8 minus 1 is 7. Slope is 9 over 7. Okay. Coming to the second example, 3 comma 5 and 7 comma 4. Before finding the slope, first we have to label them. First point we will label it as x1 y1. Second point we will label it as x2 comma y2. Now the formula for slope, and it is represented by m, is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What is y2 in this question? 4 minus 5 over x2 minus x1, 7 minus 3. 4 minus 5 is negative 1 and 7 minus 3 is 4, which is negative 1 over 4. Okay. The other name for slope is rate of change. The third example, 7 comma 86 and 17 comma 30. The first step, label the points. First point we are labeling it as x1 y1, x2 y2. And the formula for the slope m, or other name is rate of change. Please write the formula for every question. Then it is easy for you to remember for a long time. And when you prepare for SATs or ACTs, it will be helpful. Okay. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What is y2 here? 30 minus 86 over x2 minus x1 is 17 minus 7. Okay. How you will do 30 minus 86? First we will subtract 86 minus 30. 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. 56. Because the bigger number 86 is having a negative sign, we are writing it as minus 56. And 17 minus 7 is 10. But both the numbers are even numbers, so they both are divisible by 2. Negative 56 divided by 2 is negative 28 and 5. The answer is minus 28 over 5. Okay. The last example, 1 comma 64, 100 comma 98. First step, we will label the first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2. And the formula for the slope m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What is y2 value? 98 minus 64 over 100 minus 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3 over 99. Okay. 98 minus 64 is 8 minus 4 is 4 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So the answer is 34 over 99. And the other name for slope is rate of change. I hope I gave you a clear idea about slope from the 2 points. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.